the RNF4. Just Courtney, Gulfstream 00, many thanks.
Alright guys, Mike here from Two Hands One Radio. Got two different stations on.
Center Scout 3783, flight level 320.
Seems to be a good deal of air traffic on this morning, or actually this afternoon. It's about 1 o'clock on a Sunday. We've got a few local airports.
Number 4426, Velocity approach, Oscar altimeter 2992, climb maintain 13,000.
2992 up to 13,000, number 4426.
What I like about this old Sears radio, model 612431,
R613 with QSL, affirmative, R6903 is not active.
it does pick up the pilot transmission most of the time pretty decent, which is pretty cool. Also has a squelch feature. This one here can pick up some good stuff too. This is a realistic DX66.
And then I'll have the routing for you when you're ready for it. The band stop service 2996.
Oh yeah, so it's a different station there. 132, not sure what this one is. You can tell it's different.
Two Shuttle Center, the band stop service 2996. You said you go on to 5,000, and what was the last part? Roger.
Must be some cells, some thunder cells coming around, because
1345 Shuttle Center, Roger, get you at 230, thank you.
they seem to be talking about the weather. So there's some examples of some live transmissions.
Number 4426, G direct chatter.
Was that direct chatter for number 4426?
Number 4426, affirmative, direct chatter.
Alright, direct chatter, number 4426.
66782, let me know when you hear the weather notims at Boston Bell and the type of approach you like.
Alright, and I'm going to give you one quick message from the pre-recorded one from the...
And below 500 feet AGL, located 1/4 mile southwest of the approach on the runway 9. Advise and initial contact, you have information hotel.
I'll start from the beginning right here.
Nice Tower information hotel, time 1653 Zulu. Winds 300 at 15, gust 24. Visibility 10. Back condition ceiling 4,000 broken. Temperature 18, 2.11. Altimeter 29902. Expect a visual approach, landing runway 27. NOTAM. ILS runway 36 outer markers unserviceable. Attention all aircraft, feedback all hold short instructions and altitude restrictions. Pioneer Airport is active with vintage and experimental aircraft operating on or below 500 feet AGL, located 1/4 mile southwest of the approach on the runway 9. Advise and initial contact, you have information hotel.
I live near a local airport and there's experimental aircraft. I think there was an incident 1/4 mile from the airport. So, I don't know, there's a lot of cool stuff you can listen to. Just another aspect of the radio hobby if you're interested. You can pick up some really good stuff. These are both vintage radios from the 70s and 80s. And they're better than some of my newer radios with airband. Well, thanks for watching. Stay safe, and 73s.